So today I'm going to show you how to make butter curls. So you need this little tool. That's a butter curler. And what you do is you just barely impale the butter and pull it back towards you and you have a butter curl. Let's do it again. Dip the butter curler in some warm water, it helps. Okay, so pull that right back towards you. Try not to go too deep. And voila, we have a butter curl. Oops. Let's try it again. Here we go. It's deep enough so that it curls. There we go. That's a perfect one. And they're really nice to put on your table for bread and butter, because by doing this you can keep the butter cold, but it will still be very spreadable when people take a butter curl out of the dish. So happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Hope you're having a wonderful dinner. And this is Julie signing off.